It is nothing short of a magical experience when your computer comes to us here at Hi5 Jamaica Services. We not only ensure that your computer is functioning properly, but we ensure to the best of our abilities that we never send out a dirty computer. So you can rest assured that your computer will be cleaned and packaged and sent back to you almost looking brand new. See us first here at Hi5 Jamaica Services for all laptop cleaning services, system restoration, speed boost, any service you can think of. More than likely we provide it. www.hi5jamaica.com.